Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. These days, I am finding that I want to give my skin an extra amount of care being in my 40s. And so I love the skincare set from Faye. It is so simple and so wonderful for your face needs. So the kit comes with a quartz stone roller, and you can see it's really easy to hold and to use. This is the real deal. It's all quartz stone, and it has two sides. So I like the smaller side around my nose and around my eyes. It's great for maybe days when you had a little extra salt and you just want to give your face some lymphatic massage. But it's also really nice in the evening if you're adding serum into your routine. You can really use this to gently put some extra serum into your skin or even your face cream. The other piece is a face cleanser and massager. So this face cleanser has some settings that you can actually get a deeper cleanse by pressing the button, and it will start to gently massage and scrub your face. I also love the stone on the back because this is also going to give your face some extra love and massage, opening up the pores because the stone actually heats up. This piece is fully chargeable with the included cord, and the charge lasts for some time. Just like the inside of the box says, your skin will say thank you, and that's what this kit will do. This would make a great gift or just something that you can use in your daily routine, and you will find that your skin really benefits from using these gentle tools. And that's just my point of view.